What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to rank your videos on YouTube and Google. If you guys don't know what I mean, go ahead and search something on either YouTube or Google and take a look at the search results. What I want to do in this video is show you guys how to get one of those top 3 spots in order to really start to grow your channel, so that hopefully by the end of this video you guys will be able to upload and rank your videos as either number 1, 2, or 3 and start to really grow your channel. Guys, with that said, let's get into the video. So one of the most important parts in order to help rank your video on YouTube and Google is to name the actual exported file as what you guys would be naming your video. For example, if I were to export this video, I would type in how to rank first in searches on YouTube. Now, because I've named the file that, once I upload it to YouTube, it's going to have somewhat of a backbone to what the video file is called. This is going to help rank your video and push it up through the search results closer to the first spot. So the second most important part to ranking your video on YouTube and Google is the first 2 lines of the description. Now, as you guys can see here, when I search this video, the first 2 lines of the description are available to read. Now, this is important because YouTube takes those first 2 lines in your description and they match it up to the search results and the search entry. Therefore, the more keywords you have within your description, the first 2 lines of your description, the higher you'll rank on Google and YouTube. What I recommend doing is not spamming any sort of keywords in your description though, because YouTube's algorithm won't rank your video at all if they realize that they're spamming the description. Typically what I do is type somewhat of a coherent sentence and paragraph that repeats certain keywords that I think people would be interested in searching that relates to my video. So this third method is by far one of the most overlooked things that are key to actually ranking your video on YouTube and Google. This is called the Google Keyword Tool. Basically, you guys can type in any word or sentence and it'll show you how many times that was searched within the past month. Now, the reason why this is so important is because you can sort of see what type of tags and different sentences you can include in your description in order to rank it higher, because the more searches it has, the more likely your video is to be ranked on YouTube and Google. So let's just say I was going to come out with a video titled How to Make Money on YouTube. If I click that, I'll see that there's around 49,000 searches per month of that exact term. Now, if I wanted to take a look at similar terms that would be close to what this is, I'll click more like this, and basically what this will do, it sifts through different terms and shows you other things that people type in, other things that people search. So these are 4 different tags that you guys could potentially put in your tag box when you guys are uploading your video to help rank your video as first on YouTube and Google. Now, one of the most well-known ways to help rank your video is through likes and shares. The reason why this is so important is because YouTube's algorithm bases a lot of their ranking system on the amount of likes and the amount of interaction that a video gets, because the more interaction a video gets, the more popular it is. Therefore, YouTube is going to rank it on YouTube and Google, which is what we're pretty much aiming for in this video. So what I recommend doing is, before the video starts, try asking your viewers if they want to like, comment, and share the video on whatever social media site that they prefer. This is going to increase the likelihood of you ranking your video solely based on the fact that your video has the most shares and the most likes in its category. So that's, again, one of the most important and simplest ways to help rank your video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to rank your videos on YouTube and Google. Basically, if you guys combine all of these steps, you'll have a higher likelihood of ranking your video, and that's going to really help grow your channel. And if you guys are interested, it's going to increase the amount of money that you make on YouTube as well. Again, I'm going to come out with more similar videos to this, but take advantage of all of these steps and you guys will be really successful. So with that said, guys, I will see you on the next one.